Now that you understand the purpose and research behind the program, it's time to learn how to teach the techniques to your students. The Calm Classroom 3-minute scripted techniques are delivered 3 times each day in the classroom at the elementary and middle school level and 2 times per day at the high school level. If implementing in full-day pre-kindergarten or kindergarten settings, techniques can also be taught twice per day. Calm Classroom is often taught in the morning, midday, and afternoon during classroom transitions. We recommend using a technique to begin the day, after lunch and recess, and/or to begin the last academic period of the day. If your students are changing classrooms throughout the day, meet as a group to decide when you will be leading the techniques. The techniques are very effective when taught during authentic moments, like before a test or quiz, after a classroom upset, or upon a student's request. Lead the techniques during restorative practice efforts such as peace circles, morning meetings, and restorative conversations. In order to create a school-wide culture around the program, techniques should be used to begin or end one-on-one counseling or disciplinary sessions with students. Now let's talk about how to lead the techniques. While teaching, stand in one place. As you begin reading, keep your tone soft and soothing and slow your pacing down. You should read at approximately half of your normal speaking pace. To help with your pacing, pause at the end of each line and take a full breath in and out. This will ensure that you're giving your students enough time to process the instructions. It also allows you to relax while leading the technique. Within each technique, you will be instructed to wait anywhere from 10 to 30 seconds before moving on to the next line. You can use your breath to keep track of this time. One full breath in and out is about 5 seconds. If the manual instructs you to wait 10 seconds, take 2 deep breaths, and so on. After the technique is over, engage students by asking them a reflection question to help them explore the process of practicing, as well as become aware of how the technique affected them. You can ask questions like, how do you feel? What did you notice? How could this help you in your daily life? Was it challenging or easy? Why or why not? Try to ask reflection questions a few times each week to help students feel connected to the purpose behind the program.